Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Parekh Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip. What are some of the rookiest mistakes that people make before going up on stage?
Okay. So in terms of the content, you mean,
Could be anything. This is an open-ended question. You can take it in whichever idea you want.
Okay.
But there are some rookie mistakes that a lot of speakers make, which makes that speech not very impactful, which makes that speech dull, so to speak, for the lack of a better word. And there is no relatability with the audience. Like, there's not a lot of emotional connect or relatable connect with the audience. Audience को लगता है हाँ बोल के चला तो गया but समझ में नहीं आया कुछ या मजा नहीं आया. What do people do there? Like what are some of the mistakes that people are making while not delivering an impactful talk?
Right. The first thing could be entering your entry, basically. So if you're afraid or if you're anxious or scared, your entry is going to be infected. Right, your entry is going to be infected with the self-doubt, या जो भी है, nervousness or anxiety, right? When you're entering, a lot of the speakers don't make direct eye contact with the audience. तो पहले lose हो गया. Because the audience, you might be great at your job, right? You might know best of the information. लेकिन humans connect to humans using emotions, right? And आप अगर चल के आ रहे हो, अगर मैं audience में हूँ, I have no information about you. I don't know how you are as a person. What I will see is like how are you connecting when you're entering. So as soon as you enter the stage, connect with the audience, look at the audience dead in their eyes, straight.
डरा दो उनको.
Like dead, you know.
तू तेरे से बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
I'm talking to you. You know, take responsibility.
You should be scared.
Yeah. No, just kidding. But basically, looking at the audience, you know, and there's a very different कि आप अगर थोड़ा नीचे इधर उधर देख रहे हो, if you're not sure about where you're looking, the audience can catch it. We are all very sensitive like that. We might not really know what's happening, but हमको subconsciously पता चल जाता है this speaker is not, you know, confident या कुछ है. And the other thing is also expecting your talk to be smooth from the first second. It's not gonna happen.
Take us through that graph.
Unrealistic expectation है वो कि as soon as I walk in I'm gonna be on a roll. No, that's not gonna happen. Just think about it for a second. अगर आप किसी नए इंसान को मिलते हो for the first time, ठीक है, unless and until you're somebody who's hyper extroverted, who's very comfortable with people, जो कि it's a very minority of the audience, minority of the population, ठीक है, unless and until you're hyper extroverted, initial few moments are going to be awkward. Understandable है ना, मैं आपको पहली बार मिल रही हूँ, थोड़ा of course, you know, we'll kind of try to gauge each other कि क्या है, body language क्या है इसका, you know, what is the tone like, what is this person like, basic stuff. It's just human to human. So just having that expectation that I'm going to be amazing and, you know, flawless since the first second, you're setting yourself up for failure because you're not giving yourself the room to make a mistake, or you're not giving yourself the room to be human. Humanize the process. Don't try to be a perfect like David's Michelangelo or, you know, who are the best speakers? Let's
say Gary Vee is a good speaker.
Gary Vee, yeah, he's also, I think he's very hyper extroverted as well, right? And वो भी बहुत practice कर करके आया है, 100%, right? So give yourself that space that you're going to be a little awkward, and sometimes if you're awkward, it's also completely okay to verbalize it. That, you know, guys, I was expecting me to be a little bit awkward, but not this awkward. जब आप ऑनेस्टली किसी चीज़ को एड्रेस कर देते हो ना, तो आप इंस्टेंटली कनेक्ट कर रहे हो ऑडियंस के साथ. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रिक और अ टिप इफ़ यू वांना यूज़ इट एट एनी पॉइंट. इफ़ यू फाइंड योर सेल्फ एट द लॉस ऑफ वर्ड्स, अगर आप इतने डर चुके हो कि आप कुछ आपके मुंह से नहीं निकल रहा है ना, आप सोच ही नहीं पा रहे हो मुझे क्या बोलना है, जस्ट वर्बलाइज व्हाट आई वाज इन हियर. That, oh wait, I'm like, this is awkward. Like, I thought that I'm going to be less nervous, but I'm too nervous. But thank you for bearing with me, guys. You're instantly humanizing yourself, and the audience becomes much more receptive to you.
Got it.
वो आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि आप कितना perfectly बोल रहे हो, उनको तो अपने फायदे के लिए वो information लेना है. Right?
This makes sense. This is something I've also done in my talks. Like, मैं बोल देता हूँ
Yeah.
कि भाई थोड़ी सी तो फट रही है, थोड़ा तो हंस दो यार, मतलब
Yeah.
तुम मातम में मतलब कहाँ आए हो, कहाँ बैठे हो भाई तुम?
Yeah.
नियत
Audience
में
भी
थोड़ी
connect
आए।
करती है, then you also instantly relax.
Yeah. This is something that I have also done in my talks, and
Yeah.
this works like wonders.
Yeah.
Like, and this is something that I also, if I could propagate the idea further, this is something that people need to do a lot
More,
more.
yeah.
Like, तुम घुसो stage में घुसो, like you enter the hall and just have a look, no? देखो तो सही.
Yeah.
You are the speaker, so you are sitting on the front row for sure. ठीक है. अब आप एक बार पीछे मुड़ के देख तो लो कौन बैठा है.
Yeah.
कोई नहीं, सब सूट बूट में आएंगे, एंड नथिंग रॉन्ग विद दैट. ठीक है, यू वेयर वट एवर ड्रेसिंग, विल कम टू द ड्रेसिंग एंड द बॉडी लैंग्वेज पार्ट इज वेल. बट ठीक है, तुम आओ वट एवर ड्रेस you've come in, मुड़ के देखो तो सही कौन बैठा है, उनकी एनर्जी क्या है, वो फिडल अराउंड कर रहे हैं. एंड सेकंड, आपके पीछे सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ तक आपको सुनाई दे रहा है कि लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं. सो बी अ लिटिल अटेंटिव देयर ऑल्सो कि लोग क्या बात
You
कर
can also
रहे हैं.
use that in.
I use that. I do
Right,
that.
right.
I am very attentive when I'm sitting on the front row.
Right.
Not as much when I'm on the stage.
हाँ.
But when I'm on the front row, I'm like, oh, ये तो अपनी बंदी का बात कर रहा है. पूछते हैं, हो गया तेरा? हो गया? अब फोन रख दे. That.
Yeah.
This is
Getting the
something I've
temperature of the
learned
room.
from. Yeah, this is something I've learned from Zakir. Zakir Khan. Zakir Khan does this really well. I was attending a live show. Some random guy, Science City में था, Calcutta में. Some random guy from the back audience shouted, "Yes, वैसा ये वो है."
He was talking to.
He was
Zakir.
shouting. No, he was shouting to. He had some quarrel or some argument
okay.
with somebody from the organizing team as well. Only. So I was like, क्यों चिल्ला रहा है? Zakir is like, हाँ भाई क्या हो गया? क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? अरे रिफंड चाहिए, ये चाहिए, कर देंगे, और बताओ. Instant connect.
Right.
Now he's addressing that guy directly also,
Yeah.
and is also introducing comedy
Yeah.
in this entire answer,
Right.
which is great as a setup.
Right. That's the, you know, the part that we were talking about कि जब आप crowd work करते हो या when you are being spontaneous as
Yeah.
a stand-up comedian as well, it's like you have this ability to hold multiple chains of thoughts at the same time, and that is true intelligence. That is true intelligence, where you can like actually hold different thoughts at the same time simultaneously and deliver it and see how to connect all of that.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.